Testing 1 2 1 2. Testing 1 2. Alrighty. Just getting set up here, getting a coffee, have a couple things. Not really important, so to speak, that we want to talk about. We're really just doing this to hang out, but let me get my coffee here. I'll be right back. Alrighty. Cheers. Hope everyone's having a good Saturday night. What the WTF going on, dude? Speak, please. Lord have mercy. Are you flopping and groping that hard, bro? What kind of trade are you in, man? It's Saturday night, bro. I hope you're not in a rush. Because if you're in a rush to hear some wiener schnitzel yell at you fast and talk about wiener doodles and triangles and whatever else we draw on charts, you're at the wrong place. We're gonna start off with a poll. We're gonna do a poll, a little YouTube chat poll. I'm gonna make a little poll here. It's gonna be a really simple poll. The question is this /20k area is this / the 20K area. Or going to be the bot. You watched my video from earlier today. It's the same short. 2-3 day play. We'll go over. I'll go over it again. But yeah, we're just chilling, taking a look at the. I don't know how many charts pulled up. The hourly money flow touched the 0 line, and it's having, yes, a small momentum hitch. My assumption would be that maybe price comes up a little bit before the continuation down into my direction. Let's look at the 2 hour. Oh, deeper it has gone. Momentum is cut deeper. Nice little, whoops. There is a little curvature. Well, yeah, a little curvature on the VWAP. It's the weekend. It's the weekend. And so, I wouldn't be surprised if there was a little bit of a fight before dismay. Now, this was a 2 to 3 day play. And how long has it been since our last video? Oh, I gotta post on Twitter. How long has it been? Let's see. It has been 17 hours? It's been that long? Wow, time flies. Yeah, I guess that's right. Yeah, it's been 17 hours. So far, so good. So far, so good. Little move or something, which could actually be what we've already been seeing. Again, the 12 hour and the... How are we doing right now? How do I... Here we go. If all goes to plan... Here was our measurement. This was off the 2 hour. We measured our 2 hour money flow wave assumption, measured it out, came out to about 2 to 3 days. 2 to 3 days. What was that price? 21,549. What's our entry? 21,545, 546, 21,546. God forbid the price went up to like 21.8 or 21.7. We had a couple pencil necks come into the comments. You know they have to. You know they have to. Is our stream working? Okay, good. Dude, you really sweaty ghost, bro. Way to go, bro. So yeah, hang on, I gotta do something here. Oh! Alrighty. Let's take a look at the polls. Let's take a look at the polls. 67% say no, it's not. Which means 33% believe that we are at the bottom. Okay. Interesting. Interesting. And you know, this would count, this 18K, this range, I mean, this would count as the 20K area. Was listening to our favorite commercial person, Paul Flanagan, or Pompliano, and he had a good interview with Kevin O'Leary, and was watching that. I think it uploaded today or yesterday. And Mr. O'Leary believes that we have not yet seen the bottom. He believes there hasn't been enough pain. Not enough pain. And he spoke about many other things. So I have a question for many of you. Number one is, if you're a person who maybe, let's say you're a successful person, and typically your family or your friends would rely on you. Number one, have people been asking you for money or charity or more shit, way more than usual? B is, if you are not someone who's successful, if you are someone that relies on someone else, whether it's a family, friend, or charity, have you been asking for more help? Now, been saying this for I don't know how long, a month or 2 months. My brother's been saying it, Flop and Grover's been saying it, but and I don't want anyone to think that I am talking about them specifically, because I am not. But man, every single day, and I am saying this in the least pompous asshole type of way, and there's gonna be people think I'm an asshole, and that's okay. But man, every single day, I have never gotten so many people asking me for and I'm not just talking, I'm talking about the whole shebang. People I know, people I don't know, people from Twitter, people from YouTube, people in fucking trade groups, people I've never even met, bums on the street asking me for money and charity, and they know someone they need help. They need help with a business. They're up their backs are against the wall. They know someone's whose back's up against the wall. It's and to be honest, man, I've just I can't respond, because it's I feel it's and they want me to respond, and it's like, man, it's hard to say no, but the answer is I can't do it anymore. I will go broke, and if I responded to I can buy, I'm not going to say that, but man, a man could go broke no matter how much. Boy, I could go broke pretty damn fucking quick if I wanted to save the world. We know everyone we need to know in this community to save the world, and for my ass to go broke and probably to help thousands of people, but I can't. I'm tapped. I can't. I have to do taxes and shit. I'm done. But my charity pocket's tapped. My charity pocket's tapped. So please, you know what I'm saying? It's insane. And so, the point I was getting to was, we're in the thick of it. And so I can understand why some people are thinking we could be at a bottom, or it is a bottom. But just because shit is ugly don't mean it's the bottom. There's plenty of room down. Plenty of room down. People are hurting. Oh man. And you know what? It's not even crypto's fault, man. Oh man, we don't even need to get started. Everyone's hurting. Most people are hurting. Yeah, panic. I don't know. Have we had that panic? Are we able to panic? Are we not experienced? Have we been too experienced? Is our small cell of crypto nerds, are we immune to the panic if Bitcoin goes down to 10K or 5K? Who's to say that we'd panic? We might just be like, oh shit, there goes another 50%. What's another 50%? It sucks. But, you know. Anywho, back to what you really came here for. This damn phone. I hate my phone trying to listen to me. Get out of here, phone. This damn Google sentient AI. There's sentient AI that has feelings now. Anyways, if you didn't see our earlier video, we really weren't looking to take on the world with this short. Was looking for maybe low 20s, 20, 2200, 2300, 400. And that was like, the bullish scenario, right? If we just come down even to the mid-range, or even if let's say we do draw a little pretty line there. It'd be nice if it came down into the high 19s. That'd be fun. But even if it just came down in between, I'd be happy at 20, 23, 22, 24. My headache is pretty much gone, which I'm thankful for. But I've had this little, I've felt the little tickle, the scratch in the back of my throat, and so I've been drinking my girlfriend's Russian, and so I don't know if that has anything to do with it, but they swear up and down by baking soda is the cure-all to everything. So I've been drinking tea and baking soda. And I think it kind of helps. I don't know. Told a couple other buddies about it. And they're like, yeah, baking soda's great. It's acidic. It takes away the acidity. And kind of like vinegar to Italians. White vinegar cleans. The white vinegar is the best cleaner. If you want to really have a spotless mirror or spotless windows, use vinegar. Not red wine vinegar. Yeah, just a little tablespoon. But the water has to be hot. She said it has to fizz. And it also makes the tea bag float. Thought that was pretty cool. That's a good question, Dom. Do I think it's harder to trade right now than a couple of months ago? Well, it depends. For some people, yes. For some people, no. For me personally, well, overall, most, especially I would say traders, the retail traders, whether you're in crypto or stocks, whatever, it's easier to trade when things are going up in a bull market. So that would be the first answer. I will say it's different. It's different. No, I haven't solved any Coinbase problem. No, I know you guys always ask. I appreciate you asking. No. No, that shit's dead. When was 2 months ago? July. Okay, so it was the same 2 months ago. But I imagine you meant, you know, before the shit hit the fan. This 2-day. A 2-day. This 2-day. Yeah. Oof. Oof. Daily looks better. But again, in this trend, in a bear trend, spends more time in the red, tiny little bit in the green, and then it goes deeper down, and then a little tiny bit, if it even gets there in the green. Shit. I wouldn't be surprised if this came up a teeny weeny bit, and then perhaps more pain. And you know, Mr. Kevin O'Leary brought up a good point in his Pompliano interview. He's like, you know, Voyager. I never even heard of Voyager. These companies or hedge funds or whatever, whoever these, you know, these people in some crypto news website get going out of liquidation biz. We never heard of them, you know. So I understand what he means. There needs to be more pain, and I don't know. This is bigger than us. This is bigger than crypto. I think the price action is bigger than crypto. Ooh, let's look at our assumption now. So it's been 17 hours, so we're on the 2 hours, so it's been 8 8 candlesticks. So that's we were right here. We were right here. Let's go to the hourly. Yeah. Yeah, and I tell you, that 30-minute, the lower time frames, yeah, let's mark this. That worked out good. Okay. So, prime example of why trading with the trend, the overall trend, is, you know, overall better than not doing so and going against the trend. Unless, you know, you're super scalping this, but in a bull run, this would be a terrific long. You had momentum coming up, money flow coming up, RSIs looked like shit. But if, let's pretend they didn't, price would have come up more, but we are not. We are not. And yeah, it came up to whatever, 21.9, whatever, and then BAM! Damn, is this how long? Is this how much? What was my entry here? 21,545. That's funny. 200. Is this just $200? This little thing here, $200. I guess we're zoomed in. So far, this is looking like exactly as I expected it. I feel like such a douche when I say I. But I wanted to try. Anyways, this is playing out exactly like we expected it so far. So we'll see if what kind of curvatures could even make, if any. Let's do another drawing. And let's remeasure from now. About there. Now we get about 2 days. Before we had 3 days. Now we're getting 2. It's been 17 hours. So that's pretty cool. So far. And again, we weren't looking for anything crazy. Just a smooth. Like that painter, like Bob Ross. We're just looking for a happy dump. Nice, slow Churchill dump. Little brushes. Not a Niagara waterfall, but a lake cemetery of trees. There you go. Isn't that nice? Hey, I'll be right back. Mm. Jesus Christ, dude. This guy just fuck. These people need to, man. People need to slow down. Slow the hell down. People drive way too damn fast. I heard like a firework go off, and then I'm looking at my cameras, and this damn car was just hauling ass down neighborhood street. Idiot. Can't trust people these days. It's not even worth going out, risking you and loved ones' lives with these weirdos out there of all kinds. And right now is worse than ever, because more people have nothing to lose. And the more people that have nothing to lose, the more dangerous it is out there. Why do I choose to trade Bitcoin more than Ethereum? Because risk management. And, you know, I've traded Ethereum plenty of time. Traded shitcoins, Bitcoin, bot trade, and you know, I've been doing this for 6 years. I've traded damn near everything. But in the current circumstance, you know, we're just trading with, I don't know, 4 or 5 Bitcoin in this account. And, my days of trading 5, 10, even $20 million total in positions at a time in the current time are absent. And I really don't have the time or energy and need. What's Ethereum at? Oh, Ethereum. I thought it hit 1,000 for some reason. I guess it didn't. Or did it? I was gone for a while, so. Yeah, it did. Shit, it went down there. don't have a holiday on Monday, right? No holiday on Monday. That is a gapped 12 hour. I believe it's the same on Bitcoin. Yeah, that is super gapped. Look what happened at the last one. Am I muted? Okay, good. On the last gap, let's zoom in here. On the last gap, immediately it went down 7%, bounced around sideways, and then whammied. Oh gosh, really? 45%. What about the price it's at now? $33%. How long did that take? It took the beginning 9 days. Go back to the 12 hour. It took 8-9 days for the beginning of, wow, man, these are 12-hour candles. This was one hell of a little over a week. Wow. Sheesh. Man, what's going on with Peter Schiff? I saw, dude, everyone's, man, I read a little, I saw a little bit about it. I'm not too educated on it, but I remember even I almost thought about giving old Peter Schiff, your Pacific Capital, a call and saying, yo, throw me in. I want to have a little bit in there. I don't know what's going on with that. But did that hit the fan? Did his Euro Pacific specific capital go down? I saw it on Twitter and saw him responding to people. Let's see here. To save sells troubled Puerto Rico bank. My bank was not put in a receivership for being insolvent. It was put there for being undercapitalized, not having no capital. My bank has about $2 million in capital. No debt, no loans, enough cash to repay all deposits in full. The buyer was to add $7 million in capital. I have no idea what's going on here. Okay, so I don't know what is it. His bank account, his personal bank account? We got to clean this chart up a little bit. Let's clean this chart up a little bit. Am I still going to do the oil commodities channel? Man, I wish I had the devotion and energy and time. It was a good idea. It was a good idea. Maybe someday. Is that your specific capital though? Was it your specific capital? Did I take any profits from my oil plays? Yeah, absolutely, man. I've been riding that shit for 2 years. I'd invest. I would look into the your specific Peter Schiff shit a little more, but I can't see the chat then if I'm looking it up. And I don't care that much. Yes, shout out to India. Yes, yes. Yeah, I mean the good charts we've we've had 3 or 4 prophecy charts. We've saved not for NFTs, but why no stop loss? A couple reasons, bro. Number one, I ain't trying to get targeted. Number two, don't need one. Number three, this is a leverage trade. It's a little different than spot. I don't need a stop loss. Why do you want to know, Ryuzaki? To be honest with you, when people ask me those types of questions, the first assumption is you're trying to hack me or fuck with me or hack my stream or some shit. Because we've all seen it happen before. Oh, that's right. The MT Gox FUD, which was it's just like the Tether FUD. There's always the MT Gox, MT Gox. What size trades do they target? All sizes. I don't need a stop loss because I'm right here. If you're going to bed or walking away, then yeah. Here we go, baby. Dump it. Dump that shit. Fuck no, it's not. Excuse my French. Hell no. Cross leverages. Though you don't want to do no cross leverage. That's a trap, bruh. You're one mistype, one accidental punch on the zero or some shit to straight to the can. I'm gonna make another little cup of. I just had a cup of coffee. I'm debating if I want tea or coffee. I have an idea. And this poll, 62% of you thought it was not the bottom. We're not the bottom. It's time to make a new poll. The poll question. The poll is live. The poll is live. What am I drinking next? Should I make a cup of coffee or a cup of tea? Don't bother typing in the chat. I ain't drinking no small batch, dude. The last thing I want to touch is alcohol. I had plenty of alcohol the past week. Even thinking about alcohol makes me a little woozy. I can almost vomit right now thinking about it. Alrighty. Alright. The poll says 59% coffee. Coffee is the winner, but I'm gonna make some tea because I have a sore throat for just joining us. I was a little sick from partying on the Strip in Las Vegas. Had a horrible headache for 2 days. Slept, just basically slept it off. And then had a little sore throat, so I'm going with tea. Yeah, no COVID or nothing. I know everyone's saying, "What do you?" You know what's so funny is everyone asks me what it is. Like, what do you have? What is it? What do you think it is? I'm like, I'm not a I'm not a doctor. I just have a headache and a sore throat. I don't want it to eventually turn into strep throat or something worse. How am I supposed to know what I have? I don't know what I have. What do you think it is? The flu? The COVID A? COVID B? 2P2? A Ruby Doo? Do you have the Ruby Doo flu? How am I supposed to know? All I know is it was the busiest weekend in Vegas since COVID. People are coughing everywhere and shit. And you know, it ain't like it used to be. The Cosmopolitan, if you weren't wearing a suit, you'd be too embarrassed to go in there years ago. Nowadays, you know, and the rest of it, I mean, it's, you know, still, to me, it's still the best place you can go, but it ain't like the old days. All right, my hot water is ready. I'll be right back. All right, back. The Scooby Doo, Yabba Dabba Doo. How do you do, flu?
Time to choose.
The time to choose, flu.
Time to choose.
Is it the time to choose?
Time to choose.
Anyways, now I tell you, the crappy part about tea is how hot it is right now, and it's gonna be 20 minutes before I can even drink it. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Where's that asshole that said I was too early to short? Idiot. Price goes up $20 and already a pencil neck tried he tried beeping in. You tried beeping in? I'm too early. You're too late. Who inspires me to become successful? Nobody. My own ass. And my friends and family. And strangers. And being a good person. And not dealing with as much bullshit as possible. Oh, we got our first Dixie question. Why don't we take a look? Why not? We got our first Dixie. All the Dixie. All the Dixie. Not a surprise with everyone exiting the markets. Man. The last time it touched this point was in 2010, and it was just getting started. Yeah. Yeah, this, you see this little, enhance. that line. Let's make it a little thinner. The last time we had money flow on the Dixie. Oh, well, hold on now. I lied. It was in... What the hell's going on here? $81? Did I do something wrong here? Am I... Are these things changing before my eyes? I guess that's right. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Well, since the land before time, it's happened in 19... Let's enhance. 81. And not including the retraction, it went up another 45%. Including the distraction, that went up 57%. And I'd be willing to bet you some shit probably happened in 81. Interesting. This is wow. Never looked at this. This is virgin to my eyes. I have virgin eyes. We are discovering this real time because it hasn't shown up. And this is the first week it has. So, damn. Wow. This looks like, this is pretty damn strong. And if I was a betting man, it ain't gonna stop. So, I forgot your question, but, my guess is, in the greater scheme of things, the Dixie has probably some more room up. That's my guess. Off the weekly, at least. Oh yeah, this trajectory is still cruising to the upside. This hasn't even begun to curve down. Hasn't even begun to curve down. Yeah, I saw that. Was there a recession in 1981? Older folks, and by older I mean not that much older. You know, anyone who was cognizant in 1981. I don't know. You tell. What was the shit hit the fan? I just dropped my tea bag handle into the. Well, if you thought that was bad in 81, we probably, however bad it was in 81, we probably got it worse coming to us. And how long did that last? Let's go back to the Dixie. And let's look at what we really don't want to see. Why is this like? Oh man. Oh boy. This is gonna suck. Yeah. Oh. 1,281 days. So from 1981 to 84, 4 years of the Dixie. So my guess is shit was hitting the fan from 81 to 85. And probably 80 to 85. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay, let's take a look at the charts. Oh, it's all changing. What excitement. Anyways, if you're just joining us, this is just a position we entered now, I suppose, 18 or 19 hours ago. And there was some folks that were squiggling and a-wiggling in the comments. And so far, we're going in our direction. So far, we still have another day of the weekend. And then Monday or Tuesday, we'll see what happens. Anything could happen. Man, it's been a while since we been in a trade. Stream trade. Been a while. Yeah, what's going on with Hex? Is it under 2.5 cents? Oh man. Okay. All right. All right. I thought. Okay. So it's at 3, almost 4 cents. Okay. Was a little worried there for a second. I mean, it's still pretty bad what it's at now, but it looked like it was at penny nine for a second. Pretty damn close. Ooh wee. Oh man, let's look at AMP. I can't even imagine. I can't even imagine. Woo, someone got scammed. Somebody got scammed. Someone didn't see the old liquidity on the books. Someone fell for a YouTube video or a old video of AMP or something, or maybe it was an accident. Yeah, maybe it was an accident. Crow is looking like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Ain't no one stop hunting. Ain't no one stop hunting AMP. Ain't no one letting you leverage trade that shit. Yeah, an accident, a bad one. Oh, that tea feels good. You ever wish, like, you know when you have a sore throat, you want to just, like, crumple up a bunch of Tostitos, and so it just scrapes the back of your neck? Shit, what was I gonna look at? Tron. Well, I'll be. Well, I'll be. June 15th for the past 25 days. We'll say from here to here. Okay, what day is this? June 14th? What time frame? 6 hour. And oh, what day was this? June 14th. Was that bottom? Okay. Where's June 14th? Alrighty. What about from there for? Man, Tron holding strong. It's got that use case, baby. That USDT, that Tether TRC 20. Yeah, I wonder what's gonna happen with Meme Lawn and Twitter. Man, we all knew he didn't want to buy that shit. Man, using the bots thing as an excuse. Come on, man. He didn't want to buy that shit.
Fatality. Fatality.
Uh, have you guys seen any good movies lately? Man, I haven't seen Top Gun yet. I haven't seen Top Gun. If you've seen Top Gun, how would you rate it out of 10? 10 being terrifically, absolutely amazing. 1 being super gutter huge shit show. Give me your honest opinion. Actually, I should ask, since there's a new #1 movie ever, uh, what's it called? I've never even seen any of them. I've never even seen any of them. Um, but you guys with the little yellow things that hop around, what's it called? I don't remember what they're called, but the movie just came out, and apparently it's broken all the records. Look it up. Minions. I was gonna say Meeps. What is it? Meeps? So did y'all see that shit? Because apparently it's the #1 selling movie. More than Avatar. More than Top Gun. More than Flop Fun. You love Minions. I've never seen any of them. I've never seen any of them. You heard it was good. You like meat. You like Minions. You like Meeps. You like meat Minions. More than Titanic. Yep. Oh yeah, dude. Titanic's been blown away for a while now. Your parents went to go see it without kids. Wow. Wow. Oh, dude. Star Wars got blown away a long time ago, dude. Dude, Star Wars has been shit for since Disney took them over. Ain't no one going to see that shit. Yeah, folks, what are you guys doing? Are you, like, what are you guys doing? Just sitting here, sitting here? You guys just sitting here? Word, word. Yeah, boy, talk about ordering car parts. Long story short, I had to, man, trying to get anything international, getting a motor from BMW when normally it takes 3 weeks, takes 8 weeks. If you're lucky, man, the whole delivery and what do you call it? What do you call it? Where you things that what do you call like the shipping process of things? Uh, People go to school for it. Even what's it called? Still missing half. I'm still missing half my brain. Apparently. Logistics. Boom. Yeah, I said it. I said it right when you guys said. I said logistics. I didn't need you. You to rate supply chain too. Both of them. Logistics and supply chain. Logistics and supply chain. Not supply. It's logistics and supply chain. Supply chain. Yeah, it's all fucked up. I want to have a company or do a commercial for Brown, Tucker and Johnson, logistics and supply chain. Or um, Bratmere and Donahue, estate plan. Instead of saying the PLs, you jerk and blah. Supply chain. Estate plan. yeah, folks, that's about all that's going on here. Oh. Oh. The back game. How long have we been streaming? 2 hours? Man, what did this 4 hour look like? We look at the 4 hour here. Oh, okay, here was the 4 hour. Wow. Do you not see a naked lady laying on her back? Here's her head. Here's her 2 little legs. Here's her breast, and her arms are back like this. Here, see if you can see it. It's right here. Do you see a naked lady leaning back with her arms back on her pillow? Or is that just me? I think this is a good omen. She gives off a friendly nature. I think that's a good omen for us. All right, boy, you know, you guys take it a mile. You take it a mile. Sheesh. I mean, what do you expect? It's late Saturday night. Seen worse. By the way, Dude, how about that Shinzo Abe assassination? Now, this is just me, but the security guys' faces looked a little unsurprised, if you know what I'm saying. Almost like they knew that shit was gonna happen. Did anyone else think the same thing? He was a cool dude from what I, I don't know all his political policies and whatnot, but he seemed like a cool guy. Unfortunate. And that briefcase, I don't know why security don't have real guns. I don't know why they don't have guns. He hit him pretty far, kind of far away too. Yeah, for a homemade shotgun, that's shitty situation. Shitty situation. Yeah, how about them Georgia Guidestones getting blown up? Yeah. Props to whoever did that. It's about damn time. I'll be right back. Man, ain't no one linking no discords in the chat, so you can go in there and try to spam whatever shit you got, bro. Yeah, folks, yeah, that's pretty much about it. We've been streaming for 2 hours, getting kind of tired. And what can I say? We got about 48 hours-ish, is our guess, till maybe we can yeah, about 2 days till see where we're at. Would be happy with the low 20s. Other than that, yeah, good stream, and hopefully I'll see you guys sooner than later. Hope you have a good rest of your weekend. Hopefully you had a good Saturday night. And I'll see you folks around. Peace.